In this video, we're going to use ChatGPT to help us place our bets with a poker game online. This is not for real money. This is just fake money. So we're just going to go by the advice of ChatGPT and see what it tells us to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to chat.openai.com/chat and I'm going to type in, I'm playing Texas Holdem. I've been dealt a 6 of diamonds and a queen of spades. How do I bet pre-flop? We'll see what it tells me to do, and I'm just going to follow what it says, and we're going to see how it goes. The pre-flop betting strategy in Texas Holdem is determined by the strength of your starting hand. A hand of a 6 of diamonds and a queen of spades, also known as a suited connectors, is considered a weak starting hand. With this hand, it's best to avoid putting in a large bet pre-flop and instead wait to see how the flop plays out before committing more chips to the pot. A small raise or just calling the minimum bet is recommended. However, if you are in a late position and there is a little action before you, it might be worth it to make a small raise to try and steal the blinds. Okay, fair enough. All right, so we're just going to call. Check, check, check. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take this first part. And I'm going to say the cards on the flop were a 9 of hearts, a 9 of spades, and a 4 of hearts. How do I bet? So we're just going to keep building into the statement. The flop has not improved your hand. You have a pair of 6 and a queen. Okay, the pair is the 9s, yeah. Therefore, it's best to play cautiously and check or make a small. However, if you notice that your opponents are showing signs of weakness, such as checking or making small bets, it may be a good opportunity to make a larger bet and attempt to take the pot. But be prepared to fold if an opponent makes a strong raise. It's worth it to remember that the best play is dependent on the specific situation. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna check. Okay. So now we have 2 pairs. So I'm going to say, I'm playing Texas Holdem. I've been dealt a 6 of diamonds and a queen of spades. The cards on the flop were... The 4th card dealt was a 6 of clubs. How do I bet? The 4th has improved your hand, giving you 2 pairs of 6s and queens. Oh, that doesn't make sense. I don't have 2 pairs of 6s and 9s. Still, it says still go frickin' cautiously. Alright, so I'm gonna call. Small bet. Fold, we got a folder. We got a caller. Alright, that did not help me. Let me just try and rephrase this. I'm playing Texas Holdem. The 5 cards up are 9 of hearts, 9 of spades, 4 of hearts, 6 of clubs, 2 of diamonds. My cards. Let me see. Cards I was dealt were a 6 of diamonds and queen of spades. What do I do? The 5 cards were 9 of hearts, 9 of spades, 4 of hearts, 6 of clubs, and 2 of diamonds. These cards, along with your whole cards, give you 2 pairs of 6s and queens. That doesn't make any sense. With no pairs on the board, the possibility of someone having a bigger 2 pair is, or even a full house, is high. Additionally, the board does not have a straight or flush draw, meaning it's unlikely that anyone has a straight or flush. Give us information. It's best to play cautiously and check or make a small bet. Okay, so I'm just going to check. Dude, I won. What? Never won ever. All right, so that's it. I'm just gonna end it there because I don't think it can get any better than that. Hit the subscribe button if you liked this video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. I've only got 335, and ChatGPT just walked me through my first hand. It said something strange about having a pair of queens. I don't really understand that, but yeah, it's pretty funny. I won. I can't even believe it. I'm not even looking at anybody's cards. I'm just completely playing, whatever. And I learned that what the hole is. The hole is my 2 cards, and yeah, interesting. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.